Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Spice It Up. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do eyebrows for beginners. If you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to press on the notification bell. So guys, what am I going to be using first? I'm going to be using my brush and I'm going to be using my eye pencil. Yes, my eye pencil. I know you're shocked, right? The older the better. I love it when it's old. I mean, when it's old, it really does a job very well. So guys, first I'm going to begin with this, so watch me step by step as I go. Like I said, this is for beginners, the do's and the don'ts. Okay, so I'm gonna take it slowly and I'm gonna take it step by step, so watch me as we do this. First, make sure you brush this up. Can you see that? Brush it the way you want your lashes to go, your eyebrows to go. So I'm gonna use this. Take it all the way up and bring it down. Make sure you do it nicely, okay? And do it according to your face. So guys, I'm gonna go back and use the same brush. Guys, pardon the noise from behind. Can you see how natural that looks? And I'm gonna go back and use my slick. I'm gonna use my slick to shape my brows. And I like it darker. I don't like it too light. Like I said, remember, as a beginner, take your time. You don't want the Jesus. Okay, so guys, make sure you blend this in very well. Bum, bum, bum. You don't want to make it too thick. So guys, next I'm going to be using this my favorite brush to blend. So guys, after I'm done blending it in with my brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use this other brush to continue the blending process. And I'm gonna go back to use my brush to make it more even and smooth. There's no drama, it's very easy, very nice. And guys, I'm gonna go back to use my Fit Me powder. Because I don't want anything too dramatic. Like I said, this is for beginners. I'm gonna go back, use my Fit Me powder to blend everything in. Do this according to your face. I'm gonna go back and use this brush. So guys, our makeup for beginner, did I say makeup? Our eyebrow for beginner is done. I mean, you can see this from afar. It looks so natural. So try this at home and thank me later. I'll be waiting to see you guys under the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.